Hello, year four leavers of 2021. What a journey you must have been on since you began your life at the Prince of Wales School in reception. And I can't believe that the time is already here where you're moving on to your next adventure and your next journey. I wish you all the absolute best of luck. It was an honour to have taught you, and I am absolutely sure that every single one of you will go on to do things that you didn't think were possible. So take care, have a wonderful summer, and enjoy whatever may be coming next.